Hey guys, and welcome back into another video. I'm just going to do a quick overview on some of the charts right now while the markets are open and everything is fresh. Right now I'm actually watching Mara, so if you haven't got Mara on your radar, just wanted to point out that Mara is actually touching the 21 EMA and the 50 SMA. It's actually at the 50 on the RSI right now. If I put a support line here at 50, there it is. You can see that it's touching this. So usually if we're in a bullish trend, as you know, I like to use all these indicators. We can see that we're in quite a bullish trend right now with the Bitcoin. This chart is starting to move up again up through here. Look, we can see that we're at the top end. So this is going to act as a support now at the 50. So we can expect to see potentially, like a little bit more here and then a nice upside here push. So Mara is on my chart right now. So if you don't have Mara on your watch list, then now could be a good time to pop Mara on your radar. I do have a 2x price target on Mara by the summertime and coming into later into like September. So I do have that around $40 to $50. So that's a really nice upside in the next 6 months. By 12 months, this is going to easily double. That's just my opinion. Open Door. We actually did see a big boost in Open Door. Again, I've been talking about Open Door since it was at about this range here around the $24. I actually did do 2 videos on that, so congratulations if you got in on that one. NNDM is actually having a really nice pullback right now, guys, and it is finding that lovely base support right now in that $13, $14 zone. So if you haven't loaded up on NNDM, again, if you do see another touch or a retracement down to this support line at around $13.40, then we can expect to see a nice increase. I think right now it is, it's near there. It's $13.85, so we're almost in that range, and if we do see a breakdown through that support, then that would be a really good time to load up. Once it does find a base, you're probably going to find a base. If it does go, your next area of support is going to be, I really don't think it would go there. It'll probably be this support layer here, so it's going to be about 12.50. But yeah, I've even drawn the blue on. I just couldn't see it, but it's right there. And so maybe pop NNDM on. ABML is performing really lovely for us. Again, I actually added more position to my position today. I actually did buy some more. I'm continuing to adding this. This is becoming quite a big position right now in my portfolio. I know it's still a penny stock, but they have insane plans. And if you haven't seen my video on ABML, go check it out. I'll link it above now as to why I think they're merging with Tesla in the future and why this could be an absolute game changer in your portfolio as a stock. And the last one that I wanted to talk about was NEO. Now, NEO did break down through that $56 range, and the reason why I think is because Li Auto is selling off. So I'll just do a quick update on Li. I did actually bring up some news on Li right now. They actually had their deliveries in, and it's easier to read on this one. So Li Auto January deliveries raised more than 350%, but the stock falls. So I think obviously we've seen a lot of people price in the share price as we do see that with a lot of our stocks. NEO seems to be the only one that does kind of jump up the gun when we do have good deliveries, but investors weren't quite happy with their overall performance, and so that stock price has actually unfortunately gone down. It's been having a big sell-off today, about 6-7%. So it might be a nice time if you haven't got Li Auto on your radar. Let me just change this one up here and put Li Auto up here. Then it might be a nice time. Let's have a look at the charts. They've actually surpassed down. They're actually kind of at a nice area of support right now, especially if they ever get to 26, that would be even better. But this is definitely one for a short side, upside swing trade, because this is going to go up in the long term. They're only increasing deliveries. They have another factory opening in Shanghai. So you can see here we've got 1, 2, we've got 3, we've even got 4. So we have 4 layer support here, easy guys. So this is a nice floor where it's at right now. So I do feel like this is going to bounce again. We are reaching that kind of oversold point on the RSI. So it's only a matter of time until this finds a base, levels off, and then we're going to take off again, probably retesting these SMA lines. So you can expect to see a nice kind of 10% in a swing trade. If you wanted to get into Li, then I would be putting Li on your radar right now. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little market update. And the last thing I did want to say is DraftKings was actually bought last night by ARK Invest. I did go through their stuff and what they've been buying, and I didn't mention it in my last video, but if you haven't got DraftKings on your watch list, again, I had done 2 videos 2 weeks ago and 3 weeks ago on DraftKings, and I did say to buy anywhere below $49 because that's where it was at then. So if you did get in, congratulations, because that's had a nice push up today of about 7 to 8%. It's actually sitting at nearly around $60 right now. So I'll just bring that one up here for you on the chat so you can have a quick look at it. But as we go into the coming months ahead, a lot of these gambling and sports betting stocks are going to see a nice push once everything legalizes in the US. So yeah, we actually did hit highs almost of about $60 today, which is awesome. So that's a nice push up in that share price. So maybe wait for that one to come back down. Your level of entry would probably be around that 55 zone and lower. I reckon that will actually come down and have a retracement back down here in the next few days. So if, again, around $55-$56, that's going to be a nice base there. So if you've not got DraftKings on your radar, then that's going to be one stock to throw on your radar as well. Anyway, guys, enjoy your day. Hope you have a great week ahead in the markets, and I'll be back soon with some more updates for you guys. Take care.